Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases may occur within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 15.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 39.68% to an increase of 0.618%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals an expected change of about -11.20%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 29.52% and an increase of 55.5% over the next year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $2.69 and $5.92. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline "NIO stock downgraded to sell candidate." The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 1.55% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025. The price decreased from $3.88 to $3.82, marking its 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.41%, reaching a low of $3.74 and a high of $3.83. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 3.78%. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is often a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 5 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $80,072,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 50.45%, or $3.89, below the 52-week high and 94.30%, or $63.17, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when it peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. is making headlines as it announces its annual general meeting set for June 25, 2025, where critical resolutions will be voted on by shareholders. This event could be pivotal in shaping investor sentiment and market perception, especially as the company looks to maintain its leadership in the electric vehicle sector. In recent developments, NIO has been outselling Rivian by a significant margin of 10-1, highlighting its strong market position amidst increasing competition. However, Rivian's recent achievement of a golden cross may shift focus towards it, potentially impacting NIO's stock dynamics in the short term. Looking at market conditions, NIO has faced volatility partly due to tariffs affecting the broader Chinese electric vehicle market. As the company prepares to report its first quarter financial results on June 3rd, analysts are watching closely to gauge its performance amid these challenges. In the longer term, NIO is expected to remain resilient, supported by its innovative strategies and ongoing demand for electric vehicles. The focus on fundamentals suggests potential recovery and growth, making it a stock to watch as the market evolves. In this context, investors must weigh the immediate market fluctuations against the long-term trajectory of NIO's growth in the electric vehicle landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of $3.96 and $3.84. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. And since then, the stock has experienced a decrease of 11.37%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently being indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 9 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.41%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings, or in other words, is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts are predicting a consensus estimate of a loss of 22 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as an important point for swing trading. On the downside, NIO's first support level is at $3.75. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO indicates several negative signals and is currently within a wide and declining trend, suggesting it may continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determined that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of May, we anticipate NIO will open lower by approximately 2.33 cents, beginning trading at $3.80. We would like to remind you that trading carries a substantial risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.